Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. Today, we'll be making a very popular cocktail, the Moscow Mule. So to get things started, for Moscow Mule, it's going to be very simple, very easy to make. First thing you're going to need is a copper mug. And if you don't have one, use any glass that you have. The whole point behind a copper mug is it keeps the cocktail cold longer. So a lot of times you'll find recipes with the Moscow Mule using crushed ice, and by having the copper mug, the ice don't dilute as fast because that mug just really keeps a nice cold insulation to it. We're going to need vodka. We're using Oriza vodka today, and ginger beer. This is the low carb cocktails, so we got to do things low carb. This is Gosling's Diet Ginger Beer. Bartlett also puts out a diet ginger beer, and there's a few other brands out there that do. Depending on the spice level you like in your ginger beer, try them all out. I find Bartlett's is a little bit too sweet, not enough spicy. I find Gosling's Diet Ginger Beer is absolutely perfect for me. It's got a good bite to it, it's got a good strong ginger bite to it, not too sweet, and that's what I really like about it. So let's go ahead and get this started. First thing you do is we're going to add some ice to our copper mug. So let me go ahead and open up my chest here. We're going to fill that up. Next we're going to add 2 ounces of our vodka. And I can't say enough for the praise of Louisiana distilleries. Make amazing products. Oriza vodka is from Donna Pelche Distillery. If you ever get a chance to try this, by all means, absolutely do. And I am officially out of Oriza vodka. If Donna Pelche wants to send me a bottle, I'd love another bottle. And there we go. Put that down in the empties. Next is we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. We're going to top that with ginger beer. Now when you're topping, depending on the size cup you have, it's always going to be different. You're going to have maybe 4 ounces of ginger beer, maybe 6. Copper mugs come in different sizes, different volumes. So it's always best to just go ahead and pre-measure. Learned that one from Derek Stromer at Common Man Cocktails. I'm going to put a link right here to one of his videos. I think he has a Moscow Mule video. He's always talking about not the top, to go ahead and measure so you have that consistent flavor each time. So it's a little rule that I kind of live by now after seeing him talk about that. That's 2 ounces. And that is 4 ounces. Now, turn that so y'all can see the Goslings. Now, you can garnish this with a lime wedge, but what I find is you'll have a tendency to go ahead and squeeze that lime wedge on top. That'll add more lime juice to it, but it's going to add more carbs because the lime juice that we use is concentrated because there's 0 carbs in our lime juice. So if we're keeping this down to 0 carbs in our ginger beer, 0 carbs in our lime juice from concentrate, and 0 carbs in our vodka, we have a 0 carb cocktail. Bam, you can't get any better than that. 0 carb cocktail. So let's go ahead. I already know what this tastes like. I would say let's go ahead and give this a taste, but I already know it's delicious. Yep, there it is. Absolutely delicious. Moscow Mule, classic recipe. You can't mess it up. If you like vodka, you like ginger beer, you like lime, you will love a Moscow Mule. If you've not had one yet, please by all means try this. Absolutely delicious. So guys, that's really it. Really quick video, short recipe. You can find this all over the internet. The only thing that makes this low carb from everybody else's recipe is one that I use concentrated lime juice. And if you use fresh, there's nothing wrong with it. You're still gonna keep it low carb. A 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice would be only 1 gram of carbs. I'm out of limes. It's also one of the reasons I only use concentrated today. But yeah, fresh lime juice is really gonna bring this up a notch. Really give it a whole new just freshness and refreshingness to it, if refreshingness is a real word. That's gonna be absolutely delicious with fresh lime juice. But that's it, man, guys. One gram of carb with fresh lime juice, 0 grams of carbs with concentrated lime juice. And that's it, guys. All right, really quick before I leave, go ahead and click subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like the video, leave a comment. Tell me why. And man, you know what? Leave a comment no matter what. And y'all have a great day, because I know I will. Yes. See y'all later.